Alright, you guys, my god, it's just so much noise. I can't. I'm gonna shoot myself. There's a party going on next door, so if you guys hear that, just, you know, ignore it.
Yes, I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. You know what to do. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and become part of the pretty pink party. This channel is all about pink, girly, lifestyle, fashion, and home decor related videos. So if that's something you're interested in, you're definitely going to want to click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell notification to be notified every time I post a video. So let's go ahead, you guys, and get into this haul, girl. Let's get into the haul. Let's get this thumbnail, baby. This is the first item that I picked up. This is just a little cute deer, well, like a little fawn. I picked up 4 of these from Target. She's light pink. She has cute, you guys can see, I hope you can. She has these cute little bells on her. What the hell is going on, you guys? Can you see? Anyways, she has like these cute little bells on her neck with a cute little bow. She has like this glittery sparkle bow in her hair, and her eyes are just so big and bright. And she's giving me that old classic Christmas feel, and I absolutely love it. Her hooves are gold, so she's super cute. And I picked up 4 of her, you guys, and I went all around town trying to find her. Also picked up this crown ornament. This was only $3. They have this in silver and gold and pink, and of course you guys know I went and picked up the pink one. I love the way this looks, super girly, and will go perfect on my sugar plum fairy tree. Let's just stick on the theme of like ornaments. I found this pink velvet ornament, reindeer ornament, and she was $3. She also came in a green and a blue and a gold and just a bunch of different, and a red as well, like a bunch of different colors, mainly gem tones, but I just liked her. She's so cute. Look at her little face. So I liked her so much. I know she's not the exact color pink that I like. I like this blush pink color, but I thought she was so cute I couldn't leave her behind, so I did pick her up. Her antlers are this silver sparkly glitter, and I thought if anything I could DIY and paint her, spray paint her the light pink. I could totally do that, but it might take away from the fact that she is velvet, but that's fine. I don't mind that. Super cute, and only for $3. I got 2 of these ornaments. This is just the ballet slipper. I thought it was very fitting to have 2 because you need 2 shoes on either foot, and this was $6 as well. This is a pretty heavy ornament. It is ceramic, and it does have glitter on the shoe. Oh my god, ignore my phone, but super cute. I got 2 of those for $6 a piece. So the next ornament that I picked up are so super cute. It's these little baby doves, and they're the same style as the deer, as the little doe. It's also from the same brand, and this just reminds me of that old school Christmas. So pretty, so cute. I actually got 1, 2, 3 of these. She has a little bow on her neck with a bell. I know you guys can't see because the camera's not focusing, but she has a little bow on her neck with a bell, and it's super pretty. She's so cute. She's got that perfect pink color, and her hat is so adorable. Next thing that I picked up is this pack of mini, what am I trying to say? The next item I picked up, you guys, is this pack of mini bottle brush trees for only $5. They come with 2 red and 2 ombre pink ones. I hope you guys can see that. I know the lighting is a little bit bad because I'm filming at night. They also come in a blue and green color. I'll try and see if I can link them below for you guys. These are very popular, and they're only $5. They have a medium pack of 2 for $5, this smaller pack of 4 for $5, and then they have the really big trees for $5 each. I got these because I thought they would be cute to set around, and I love the bottom of the tree. I'll show you in the bigger ones how they look. It looks like frosting or snows dripping down the base of the tree, and that's super cute. So I'm super excited about that. I got this really big pink ombre tree. It's so pretty. I haven't seen anything like this. Again, you guys, they do have this in the blue and the green color, and it's just so freaking cute. Look at the base, you guys. It even has snow, like frosted and crusted on the base of it. Super pretty, and it was only $5 for this big guy, and he matches. I might actually go back and get the medium size one just to have it go next to this one. It would be cute, and I can always, like I said, use the red trees in the kitchen. These are from the Wonder Shop. These are shatter resistant, and they are a pack of 8, and the hooks are included, and they were only $5. I thought this was a great deal. 8 ornaments for $5. They are this sparkly pink color, like the perfect pink that I absolutely love and that fits in perfect with the theme. I was looking for some ornaments like these at Walmart, and I wasn't able to find any, so I'm happy I found them at Target, but I was only able to find this one pack, and then I did visit another Target and I still couldn't find them at all. So I mean, I guess 8 is probably enough. I love to use these to fill up my tree. You guys know I'm not a red person, I'm a pink person. When I do wear red, it's usually a burgundy deep red, so I got these burgundy deep red nails for the holidays. There is like just a plain gloss and then a glitter black and silver and red nail, and then these nudish pink nails with jewels on them. I hope you guys can see. I know it's not focusing, but that's what the nails look like, and I plan on wearing these for the holidays in New York. So I got this pair. This is by the brand Warm Essentials. No, it's Warm Essentials by Cuddle Duds. And this is the crew socks, the leg layer ones. This is really soft and plush, and they feel super warm. So I thought these would be nice for the winter time. But yeah, I like this pattern and this print. I don't know, somebody please tell me below what is the name of this print and this pattern, because I don't know what the name of it is. I call it Christmas print, but it's not Christmas print. There's a name for this. But yeah, these were $6, and I know they come in a gray color and a blue color and a red color as well, so check them out if you're in the market for some socks. But I picked up this little sign. They had tons of cute signs like this, and it says can you guys see? Oh, there it is. It says life happens, coffee. Wait. Yeah, it says life happens, coffee helps. I am not a coffee drinker. I don't drink tons of coffee. Bunny's a coffee drinker, and I thought this would be cute in the coffee, in the kitchen, in the coffee. Not gonna put this sign in the coffee. I thought that this would be cute in the kitchen next to the coffee bar. I thought Bunny would appreciate this since he is an avid coffee drinker. And then the last things that I picked up from Target Dollar Spot and just Target in general are these little confetti bottles from the Dollar Spot. I keep calling it the Dollar Spot. What is it called? The Bullseye Spot, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. I picked up these little confettis here. I just thought they were so cute. They don't fit in the theme of my decor, like I said, but I thought these would be cute for putting into Christmas cards, and when people open them, it can have like a little bit of confetti fall out. I think that's so cute. Or into like Christmas envelopes or Christmas gifts and packages. It would be totally cute. Or you can just use them as is, as decor. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna take off these tags, because it does say to and from. But I'm thinking I'm gonna take off these tags and just stack them up somewhere and make them look cute. But I could not resist. This red one is little bitty, let me see. These red ones are little candy canes. And then the green ones are so cute, I almost died. They're like little trees. And then I got one that had little bells, little gold bells. They also had like silver bells and silver confetti and other types of confetti. They had like a whole row of just different types of confettis in here. So I just looked through all of them and found the Christmas ones. And then they also had this one that looked like white snow. Super cute for $1 each. You can also use these for crafts as well. So alright, you guys, that is it. That was everything that was inside of my Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you loves in the next video.